Hello everyone, my name is Sigmal Akbar. So today I'm going to give you comparison between Windows, Linux and Mac OS. But before we start, just let you know, Windows, Linux and Mac OS are operating systems that commonly used by people nowadays. And of course, there are difference between three of them. So let's start. Okay. The first one is the user friendliness. Windows and Mac OS are more user-friendly than Linux because Linux can be less user-friendly, especially for beginners, and it needs configuration. The second one is the customization. Linux is the most customizable operating system than any other operating system, especially Windows and Mac OS. Next one is the software availability. Mac OS and Linux are as available application as Windows application available. The security. iOS is the most secure operating system than any other operating system, just like Windows and Linux. The next one is the cost. Linux is the most costless operating system from any other operating system. Just like we know, Windows is paid operating system, and for Apple, we need to buy the product. The next one is the hardware compatible. Windows and Linux are more compatible with various configuration hardware than iOS because it limited by Apple and it reducing the flexibility. And for update, macOS and Windows are easier to update than Linux because Linux needs configuration and distribution and it needs more control to update. For gaming support, Windows is the most gaming support operating system than any other operating system, just like Linux and macOS. And the popularity, Windows is the most popular operating system that used by people nowadays than Linux and macOS. And open source, for open source, Linux is the most open source operating system than the three of operating system. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks.